friends. I hope that you and your families are all well. Happy Easter. I am working from home right now with 2 kids that I am crisis schooling through this interesting time. I am doing my very best to stay safe, stay healthy, and to stay sane. And I hope that you all are doing the same. If you are sewing masks, or maybe you are just getting through every day, and that's okay too. Please do not feel like you have to overwork yourself during this time. Some people deal with the anxiety of a crisis situation by making themselves busy so they don't have to think about it. I am normally one of those people. However, right now, I have found that I am not as productive as I feel that I should be based on what I'm seeing everyone doing. So please, please, please remember to take care of yourself first, mentally, physically. Yeah, I want everybody safe and happy and healthy as can be. Do what you need to do. A few months ago, I hand sewed a veil for my SCA medieval reenactment stuff, and I decided that I wanted to bead it. I wanted to put some fancy beading on it, and I thought maybe I'd share a small bit of that process with you.
This veil is made from a lightweight linen. It's just light and sheer, and it has a lovely hand and drape. My dear friend Marty from Scraps and Sequins also has a veil beading video. If you'd like to see an alternate way of doing this, I'll link her video and channel below. In this project, I'm using glass seed beads in a clear and garnet red color, as well as plastic seed pearls that are slightly bigger than the seed beads. When I started this project, I decided that I wanted an all-over or a heavier beading pattern on this veil, so this is the pattern that I've chosen. What I'm doing here is I'm using a whip stitch here, and I'm wrapping it in a looping motion around the hem and then adding a bead with each stitch. Every 5 beads, I'm adding a double stack of a pearl and a garnet seed bead to give it some depth. I do continue this pattern all the way around this half circle veil. There isn't a single edge that's not covered in beading here. It gives it a really good weight when it hangs on the head, and because I do pin this to a Brigida cap, it just makes it hang really nicely, the weight of the beads. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. It makes me feel super fancy every time I wear it. And I mean, who doesn't need a little bling in their historical costuming life, right? All right, and here I am wearing the veil with my 14th century kirtle. If you're interested in the video on making that kirtle, I will link that in the comment section down below. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Tell me in the comments what your favorite historical costuming century is. I thank you so much for watching, and I just really hope that you all stay well. That's it for me, and that's it for this video. So until next time, friends, stay healthy, stay sane, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.